In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Stellar Planula in Once Human. So, in case you didn't know how to use that thing, here's exactly how. You want to go to one of these bigger safe zones on the map, okay? So, I would actually suggest the Black Fell, in case you have it unlocked, but all the others, or I think most of them, will work as well. So what you want to do is go over here and teleport, and then let's say you went to Black Fell, just where I'm at now, and then you want to walk up to one of these shop emojis, okay? So to one of these shop NPCs that have the shop emoji above them. In most cases, or in every single case, this dude called Severin VII, so Severin 7, which usually stands next to Humpy, is the right dude you're looking for, okay? So if you talk to him and you want to go into shop, you'll see there's a bunch of things you can use your Stellar Planula on, okay? So as you can see, you can buy consumables and different accessory items. Now, the thing over here is that most of these things, so most of these weapon accessories, can be found in the world just exploring and opening different loot crates. However, these controllers and Starcrom crates are a bit more rare, so the controllers can be obtained via different strategies as well. However, these Starcrom crates are great because they can be opened to obtain Starcrom, 500 of it, and it's a precious material or currency you can use to buy different blueprints. Now, I would actually suggest getting these if you're buying anything with Stellar Planula, and that's pretty much it. So just teleport to any of these bigger towns, any of these safe zones, look for this dude. If he's not there, he may not be in that zone, however I think he's in most of the zones, and then once you're there, just go to shop and you can spend your Stellar Planula at him. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.